So right here we have our high. And this is the high that we want to see a break above. And so far we've broken above it, but the candle hasn't closed. So we need to just be patient. Now, something I used to do before was the moment I see price above that area, I start looking for a point of interest to buy from when price hasn't closed. And what that did was now later on when price now closes above that area, I now miss the fact that there was still this last move that I didn't really know what happened there. I was working with these past price actions. Now, sometimes price will literally just come down and use this last one here and continue higher. Now, I missed the entire move because I was focusing on this past price actions. So, what I would recommend you guys do, because all the mistakes I made, you guys will not make those mistakes. That's part of the point of this mentorship. You will not make those mistakes and you'll be ahead. So now, what I recommend you guys do is mark your highs and allow price to do its thing. Don't go and be looking for a point of interest if the high has not been broken. Don't ever do it. I know it will sound so interesting to do it first and then wait for break. Don't do it. Most of the times it will work against you. It's literally you working against yourself. Just allow price to break. Don't mark anything else. Your job is to wait. You have 1 hour, you have 50 minutes to wait for this candle to close. After this candle closes, you now start looking for points of interest from here, from this blue line to this low, where price will come back to retest. Now, don't disregard anything. Any key level can be the key level. Price can literally decide to come down into this fair value gap. There's no one stopping it. There's a new president. There's going to need to be a flush out of liquidity. All the people that were buying before the inauguration. There was inauguration rally. There still needs to be an inauguration flush out, run on liquidity. So don't disregard any area. So the reason I'm marking this area, it doesn't mean price will definitely come down here, but I'm just trying to make you aware that even if you are seeing this fair value gap here and it looks so deep, don't disregard it. Price can still decide to come down in there, mitigate it, and rally. Is it making sense, guys?
Yes, Mr.
So all you do is wait for that break of structure and close. Once it closes, you now start looking for points of interest where price is going to come back in. Whether it's going to be a last down close candle or it's going to be a fair value gap, you now start looking for that area. Once you see an area of interest, mark that area of interest and wait for your time frame break of structure. Don't just set a limit order, because if you just set a limit order, anything can happen by next week and this market will literally slump and then wipe your stop loss and then continue and rally. So there's no need to be in a rush. Just one in the next 48 minutes, this candle closes.